so that we can bring in a PDF to do takeoff on. We'll select load and bring in that PDF. Once we've brought in our PDF, we'll navigate to our bookmarks so that we can easily find the page that we want to do takeoff on. Once we've navigated to that page, we'll give it a scale and also update our vectors, which will allow us to snap to lines. Over on the left-hand side, we have our cost database. This is the menu of options that we can bring into our estimate. We will help you create that database during implementation. We have a database that you can start from. We can also help you create one from your data as well. Selecting our line item brought this window up and showed us what information the database knew about it. Also, it puts us in a sketching command for takeoff based off the unit of measure of that line item. So as we navigate in, we'll start to do takeoff. The blue lines that appear are vectors, so we'll select on that line once and it will take off the extent of that line. When we close our takeoff, two things will happen. The first being that we have quantified that line item. So we have 428 square feet of wood flooring. The second thing that has happened is that line item is now in our estimate. So since we are doing takeoff truly with a line item from our database, doing the takeoff both quantifies the line item and adds it to our estimate. If we need to continue doing takeoff with a line item, we can. We'll just go back to our takeoff view and do takeoff for our auditorium. If we encounter a park, we have a 3-point curve tool that will easily allow you to select where you'd like it to end and then draw the radius, just based on wherever you drag your mouse. So as we work our way around this room, we'll use our vectors to easily take it off. Once we finish that takeoff, it'll update the quantity of our line item. So now we have 4,600 square feet. That's also what is represented in our estimate. So to do this takeoff, we brought a line item in from our database. Also, if we had started with line items in our template, we'll give our hollow metal doors a unit cost and then go do takeoff with it. Now we'll get a different takeoff tool. So now we'll just have a count item. So each click, since its unit of measure was each, will give us an additional door. So when we make a click, our count goes up by 1. So as we continue to take those off, each click will give us another door and update our line item. So we can do takeoff either adding our line items in from our database or do takeoff with line items that were presented to us from our template.